I've just voted at Nyamare polling station in Rihanna Ward, Chari constituency, and I want first of all to decree the low voter turnout in Chari. I'm urging my supporters, I'm urging my people, especially of Nyamare, please come out and vote. There's still time. We need you to come out in numbers. And I also want to really condemn the strongest term possible the heavy presence of security forces within Bonchari. We are seeing a lot of GSU, we are seeing a lot of policemen, and there's been a lot of harassment of my agents. My agent in Nyamare primary has just been arrested. There are several agents who have been arrested in various places, various polling centers within Bonchari, and this is totally unacceptable. I know God has already chosen a leader in Bonchari. The people who are going through this will not go against the will of God. It is actually totally unacceptable. We also have had a case where one Honorable Vincent Musagi has just been arrested for no good reason. He's just being held by the CID in the Soso, which is not acceptable. I don't know what the objective of this is. Actually to intimidate the voters so that they cannot come out and vote. This is totally unacceptable. And therefore I'm urging the IBC, we won't see your face, we won't see your force, where you're going to maintain peace and order. Harassment of my agents all over the country is not acceptable. So I'm urging IBC, the returning officer, to kindly come out and intervene, and so that we are not having many cases of my agents being arrested. Thank you.